Hello everybody, welcome back. We are going to be taking a look at Litecoin at number 24. So for Litecoin against BTC, this is a very sad story. Let me tell you why. Way back. way back. way back in 2020, we were actually expecting Litecoin to form a high quality symmetrical triangle over here. We're expecting something like, A, B, C, we go for a D and E and sayonara bitches, and then we go crazy for Litecoin against BTC. But alas, things just didn't pan out the way that we expect it to, and Litecoin is just it's been very sad. And yeah, it just took out the lows over here, and it just continued slowly crawling its way down. Litecoin has made many attempts to break back up above the skinny pink line, but it always comes back down, up. It always comes back down, up, down, up, down, up. I feel like we're coming back down again, right? And if Litecoin comes all the way down, we get ourselves something like a right shoulder. This would be head and shoulders. You could head even lower for Litecoin. So yeah, not necessarily, I mean, this could already be the low. Not necessarily we're gonna drop all the way back down. We could still form symmetrical triangles and head higher, right? And this could be the revival of Litecoin, right? This could be the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Something like that. But the point is, we don't see it yet. I just don't see, Litecoin turning bullish, right? And Litecoin was once a top 5 coin. Top 5 became top 10, became top 15, became top 20, and now Litecoin is a top 25 coin. It feels to me like Litecoin is getting kicked out of the top 25 soon, eventually. Soon, if we don't see any clear bullish signs, right? And so yeah, I'm not so sure what Charlie Lee is doing, but Litecoin is just there are a lot of other, in my opinion, deserving projects that is you can see progress in the adoption of the particular coins, right, and the hype that is surrounding it. But of course, not everyone is gonna experience that kind of acceptance here. But Litecoin is just not really doing well in terms of just by looking at the chart patterns. I feel like Litecoin is just not really doing that well right now. If things were to start turning bullish, normally we should be able to see it on the charts, but I just don't see it yet. So yeah, especially for Litecoin BTC though, is continuing to lose dominance against BTC. Against USD, it is rising because of inflation, right? All coins will eventually rise against USD unless it's a crappy project. But Litecoin, yeah, I just don't see it for the BTC pair. Litecoin against USD, yeah, we have a target fresh out of the oven at $33. We're at $51, so $33 is still a long way down. It's just not really doing that good. I think we're gonna take out the lows over here, and if you take out the lows over here, we'll probably take out all the lows here, right, as we head towards $33, and this could complete 5 waves for Litecoin. What I mean by that is this could be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ta-da! Right, when things fall, they fall in waves of 3 or 5. In this case, I am highly suspicious of a 5th wave coming on. Yeah, and so this 5th wave, if it does happen, I suspect it should be heading towards $33 because that's the target that we have. Anyway, we are already severely oversold. We may not even hit targets, and we may just start reversing from here, or we may just stop short of hitting targets and then start reversing, right? But yeah, the point is that if you don't know what you're doing, I would highly discourage opening shorts and all. Just stay in US dollars because US dollars is strengthening at the moment. Macroeconomics in play, and you're already a winner by holding USD, so don't worry about it if you're not shorting anything, right? But of course, if you're a trader, then yeah, so the boys and I have been doing pretty well shorting the markets for the past few months. I mean, I've been away from YouTube, but in Patreon, I'm very active. I've been active every day. I didn't miss a day. Giving the daily updates to the boys in Patreon. But YouTube, I have to take a pause for YouTube. Anyway, the target's at $33. I think there's still more downside. It's not really as clear yet. But yeah, potentially we could be heading to $33. We may even take out the lows here though. I don't know if that's going to happen or not, but yeah, things are just not really looking that good, right? Litecoin did a super duper spike up, and now we are doing almost a complete U-turn back towards square one. This is like base. We're going back towards base, so this is not good news, right? And if we come back down, we might even get a head and shoulders over here, right? And Litecoin could collapse. Yeah, I don't know. I just don't see it yet at this point of time. So I would not. I don't think it's gonna collapse though. But I think 33 is something that is not too out of this world, right? And so yeah, I think $33 is the target that we have for Litecoin. So be careful about going to a trade too soon, right? Imagine if you did dollar cost averaging. A lot of people who are not well versed in reading chart patterns will tell you, hey, Litecoin has already dropped 70%. Let's get some at $112. Yeah, 112 become 100, become 90. You become 80, become 70, 60, 50, 40. Yeah, so imagine the money that you had dollar cost average all the way down if you never DCA'd in the first place and you just held your cash. You would have been better off, right? So yeah, my point is there's still a target towards the downside. The boys and I in Patreon, we remain buyers bearish for Litecoin, and we still expect Litecoin to hit towards sub $40, at least sub $40. I don't think this is the bottom. I think there's another newer bottom coming, and I think more likely than not we should be hitting $33. So stay safe and don't do anything I wouldn't do. We're going to take a look at Chainlink next, which is another sad story as well. Chainlink was once a top 10 coin, now it's a top 30 coin, top 25. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye bye.